Welcome to our tutorial about retrieving dimensions. Let's begin by deleting some features and sketches that we've already used in our previous chapters. Let's go back to our part now. I'm going to delete this cylindrical feature and these holes. Now let's go back to our drawing. We'll zoom in a little bit. Go to the Drawing Annotation panel. Let's scroll down and select Retrieve Dimensions. First, we need to select the view. We'll select the front view. Next, I click Select Dimensions, and I click on the dimensions I need to retrieve. Click Apply, and cancel out of the tool. Now we can rearrange the dimensions if we need to. Okay, let's edit our dimensions. First, we'll place a centered pattern. Right-click, Create. Oops, let's undo that. We need a centered pattern. 2, 3, and 4. Right-click, Create. So we can see where this dimension came from. Right-click, Edit Model Dimension. For demonstration purposes, use 1/4 of an inch. OK. Now let's return to our model. As you see, the diameter of this hole has changed as well. We can also change the style of the arrowheads if we'd like to. Right-click and edit. We can place some text here too if we need to. OK. And this concludes our tutorial about retrieving dimensions.